Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a lift tour at Parkgate in Rotherham. The lifts I took were at Asda Living, Currys and Primark. Hope you enjoy the video. Big sliding doors. There are two button panels. It's said to use this side, but I think the other one is for the workers. This is a monogoods lift. It's a cone eco-disc lift. Capacity 17 persons, 1275 kilos. Installed in 2011. Now it's time for lift A. This is a monospace lift. This one doesn't have two panels. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos, and it was installed in 2011. That's it for Asda, and now let's do the lifts at Currys. This lift had 2 zero panels, and it said it was waiting for the one. Doors opened again for some reason and closed again. It's a glass standard lift. Capacity is 1,000 kilos, 13 persons.
Level 1. Doors opening.
Jerks when it's at the top. I don't like that. I cut the video here because the doors took ages to close. I don't like this.
Doors closing. Lift going down. Level 0. Doors opening.
Now it's time for the lifts at Primark.
Doors closing.
Capacity is 26 persons, 2,000 kilos. It's a coney lift.
Doors opening.
It has the new coney voice.
Doors closing. Going down. Doors closing. Doors closing. Door 0. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.
Hi guys, thanks for watching that long video. I hope you enjoy these vlogs like this. If you do, I'll probably make more. But thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye!